Hello and welcome to Anjali's Bake Affair. Our recipe for today is something really cute, easy and instant. It's bite-sized little party pizzas. They are noise, instant, eggless. They look really cute when served to guests individually. What you need for it is flour, yogurt, baking powder, baking soda, salt, sugar, olive oil or any other edible oil, and a little water as needed. And for the toppings, you need pizza sauce, some mozzarella and veggies of your choice or chicken and some seasonings, of course. So let's begin with making the dough for our pizza. Take flour in a big bowl, add in the yogurt, the baking soda, the salt, sugar, baking powder and the oil. Bring it together with a spoon and then make it into a rough dough. Now this dough is going to be slightly sticky and that's how it's supposed to be. Now you can just cover this and leave it to rest for some time while you can start working on your pizza sauce and the toppings. I will be using my homemade pizza sauce for this. The video and text recipe for it is available on my YouTube channel as well as on my website anjalisbakeaffair.com. So my dough has been resting now for exactly 15 minutes and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to bring it out on a flat surface and I'm going to knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes, up to 10 minutes also. The idea is to get a smooth, soft dough which is fluffy and plump. The baking soda, yogurt and baking powder, this combination has helped it rise and become softer. So they have replaced yeast in this recipe. Now what we are going to do is we're going to cut it out into tiny little shapes. To cut it out, you first need to roll out the dough. Now the perfect pizza dough is one that you can just stretch with your hands and it'll easily come together in a sheet, something like this. But if you want, you can use a rolling pin as well. I have decided to keep this dough a little thick because I want a slightly thickish kind of a bite-sized pizza that is easily holdable in your hands, and it kind of resembles a small muffin, but you can roll it out as thin as you want as well. Use a round cutter of whatever size you like or you want, or something like a round bowl. This is a steel katori that I'm going to use with sharp edges. It works perfectly for the size of pizza that I want. So I've cut it out into rounds. On goes the pizza sauce, the mozzarella cheese and my choice of toppings. Now these are ready to bake. You can either use a baking tray, flour the baking tray, place these pizzas on top of it and bake it. Or like me, you can use a muffin tray or individual cupcake tins, whatever you have and whatever you want. I will be using this muffin tray today. As you can see, they fit perfectly into these little circles. Preheat your oven to about 220 or 240 degrees. Put your tray inside. Let these bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. They will be golden and the cheese will be melted and they'll be perfectly baked by then. So let's get it out. Oh, they look beautiful and they look so cute. These are perfect for a small party, get together, easy to make. If you make this recipe, do click some pictures, post them on Instagram and tag us at Anjali's Bake Affair. So till next time, bye bye and enjoy.